How to fix an extended error has occurred in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix an error if you get it says extended error has encountered whenever you're trying to open up a shared folder. So without further delay, let's get started. Go to your search icon and in the search bar, search for PowerShell. And for the Windows PowerShell, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Then that will open up PowerShell or Windows PowerShell in your device. Here you have to type a code. You will find that code in the description below. So check out the description below. And then all you have to do is simply copy the code. So this is the code which you will find in the description below of this video. After that, you have to press enter in your keyboard. Then again, press Y key and hit enter in your keyboard. So once you press Y key and hit enter in your keyboard, you could close your Windows PowerShell. After that, if you go and open up the shared folder, you will no longer find that error message that you were getting earlier, and your problem will be solved. Next, you could restart your computer. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.